Thank you. Happening today, another windy day ahead of us. As you just heard, PG&E's public power safety shutoffs will continue into this weekend for 24 counties.
The most impacted areas where the strongest winds are. The coastal communities, Bay Area, Vacaville, Fairfield, that area. Fox 40's Tony Salazar is live in Vacaville covering local news that matters. Tony, how many customers are we talking about in the dark so far?
Melanie and Richard, just so far here in Solano County, specifically here in Vacaville, we're talking upwards of up to 2,000 customers, and it's the wind that is causing a big concern. That is the offshore wind. As we flip this camera around, this wind is starting to pick up ever since we've been here. You're looking at the street signs, so just swaying back and forth, some of the trees. But here at this community resource center, check out this sign over here that you're now looking at on your video here. That sign is swaying back and forth, and this is also where nearly 2,000 PG&E customers are waking up in the dark in Solano County. Now, with another windy day ahead of us, PG&E's public safety power shutoffs will continue into this weekend for 24 California counties across our state. Here's a live look at PG&E's outage map. Some power shutoffs are already in effect. Those outages are highlighted by the purple triangles you see right now on your map. Now, if we do move the map towards Napa County, where a little over 3,700 customers are without power this morning, this is the largest community affected by this public safety power shutoff so far. Some of the other impacted areas include Butte, Pluma, Solano, and Yolo counties. Now, these planned shutoffs are expected to continue tomorrow as well. PG&E says it's a safety measure to mitigate fire risk in dry and windy weather conditions.
We don't actually need that much wind to cause a catastrophic wildfire. Decision is very tough to make because we know that people are out of power, but we're trying to protect those communities that we serve.
And taking you out here live as PG&E has opened several of these community resource centers, including the one here in Vacaville in Solano County, where right now it is closed, but it will open up here at 8 a.m. And again, they have restrooms you can use. They have portable showers that you can use. Again, right now it's closed, but I do want to pop up a list of other locations around the vicinity here. Now, those other community resource centers are right there on your screen. These centers provide a warm place for customers to charge their devices and small medical devices, blankets, snacks, water, along with restrooms and washing stations. Meanwhile, a red flag warning is in place for the Sacramento region through 5 p.m. tomorrow, according to the National Weather Service. Now, altogether, PG&E says upwards of up to 8,000 customers could be affected by these outages. We'll take a closer look at those Bay Area counties coming up in the next hour. But for now, reporting live here in Vacaville, covering local news that matters, I'm Tony Salazar, Fox 40 News.